up, gang? Y'all already know the biggest is in the building. Big Fruit is in the cut.
And Big PREE is in the building.
And y'all, today we're about to be taking care of these dogs. Now, we never do this on the channel. If you don't know and you're new to the channel, we have 2 dogs. We have a golden doodle and we have a golden retriever. Y'all, we got to take care of them. Now, these right now, Queen is crying. We got to take them outside, take them a bath, feed them, everything when it comes to take care of dogs. So to dog lovers, if you're a dog lover, then you already know how this be, how this go. It's very time consuming and y'all don't really know what we deal with off of the YouTube channel, you know what I'm saying? So it's really, this is showing y'all how frustrated, how annoying it can really be. Not one, but 2 dogs.
I'm also thinking about putting their channel on a vlog channel. We think about starting them a channel, and it's gonna be the vlog channel of just like every day what they do, what they eat, how we bathe them, what we use, how much we spend on them a month.
Yes.
Who are these dogs? Because we're gonna be breeding them soon. If you didn't know.
Yes, PREE is starting a breeding business. Thinking about buying another one. We don't know how it's gonna go when we get a bigger place, but you know what I'm saying. For right now, we got our two babies. They are like our kids. We'll be seeing them today. You know, Cash have a little attitude. Queen, she's spicy. So you gonna see all of that today. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Y'all know what to do. Subscribe to the channel. If you're not subscribed, you don't got to. It's not mandatory. But go ahead and click that bell for your blessing. Without further ado, see you in the video. Let's get it. Get it.
All right, y'all. So we on the way to the doggy park to go give them a bath because obviously y'all can see.
Look how dirty they are.
So I think we had him for like a good 4 months.
4 months.
Yes.
Queen, we've had Queen since November, right, babe?
Yeah.
So we still in that potty training state, and it's really annoying, but.
Yes, y'all can see this is Queen.
Yes.
She wanting her way.
Don't look at them right now because we about to fix them on up because they looking mad dirty.
We got him late because he's a little older. We got him late, so they didn't really potty train him like that.
Yeah.
And then her, she's a baby, so she need potty training, but she's actually more potty trained than him.
I'm gonna go ahead and get them bathed and cleaned up. Queen. She's sweating me. Look at her.
Queen. No, baby, no.
No dog. This is the golden doodle.
She actually be wanting to fight Cash a lot. Like she be demanding her way or whatever. Because she's a very like alpha female. We be bathing them and we be going through it. These dogs are crazy. Nobody told us that golden retrievers have like a little attitude problem. Nobody told us that golden doodles have behavior issues. So I don't know. This has been a rocky roller coaster, but we sticking and thugging with them because we love them. Let's bathe them.
All right, y'all. So Queen just doodled in the doggy park. So yeah, this is my life. I gotta pick it up.
Oh Lord, Cash is boo-booing now. This dogs. They're just like kids, but worse.
He let it out too.
Yes.
Oh, baby, your turn. Like they ain't just pee in their cages. Like they gonna run around and have the best time ever. Come here, Queen. Come here, Cash. Hey, boy. You got a lot of pee on you, but you're still a good boy. You're still a good boy. Say yes, Mama. I'm a good boy. I'm a good boy, Mama. Come here, Queen. Come here, girl. She don't want to come. She want to do it like this, one at a time. We can't do both of them at the same time. Oh yeah, I see my swim pants. Yeah, felt like I was swimming, like I was thinking about. Now it's time to bathe. I don't know why Cash over here. He don't even like taking baths. Okay. But this really some good bath wash.
Terminator, de-shedder.
Y'all should definitely try it because it just, I don't know, they just smell way gooder than the other dog.
And if y'all dog shed, it helps a lot.
Yeah, because our dog, well not Queen, but Cash shed a lot. But that's why we have to keep some nice shampoo.
What you doing, boy? She wanna play. She looking at them other dogs, y'all. She wanna play.
You know she's still in like her like kitty stages.
She's only 4 months.
Yeah. So this is also like a kind of like, no, Queen, don't do that shaky thing yet. Look at Cash. Every time I look at Cash, I see like a like you want to doodle. Like I really don't like that. Like every time I look at you, I feel like you're trying to set it off. Get up in that stomach, mama. No, not mama. We don't like when I call her that, so.
Cause you called me that.
Let's get on that stomach, girl. I mean, we don't do it like Cash. Bitch, get from by my booty. We don't do it like the Cash, please. We don't do it like the groomers, but we definitely do it with love, and it's all that matters.
Not you had to put that out there, Cash.
I really wish we would have brought her brush out here so we could do all of that. Like when it comes to her hygiene, everything outside. And I know a lot of people bathe their dogs inside in a tub, but we got a doggy park, so it's like we just try to get our coins worth of the rent. You know what I'm saying? Am I lying, babe?
No, you're not lying.
Let me see that foot. Let me get that toes, girl. Let me get up in them toes, girl. She be like, put my feet down, ma.
Sometimes she lift it up for you.
It's the tail. Oh, she need a brush real bad. Another thing about golden doodles, y'all, if you're thinking to get one, they need to be brushed so frequently.
Every day.
Not even them. The golden retriever we got too. Come here, girl.
Oh, you trying to run away?
Her curls. All I did was put my fingers in one of them curls, but she ain't go nowhere. They need to be brushed. Here. They need to get all up on that face. That face can be dirty because that's so bumpy. Rub it. That's our favorite place to rub it on your face. So pretty. You're such a pretty boy. Yeah, you will. No, you better not
Oh,
do that.
Cash. Cash trying to eat on leaves.
Give me paw. Give me paw. Good boy. That's a good boy. Now I need to do one more thing, okay? Lay down. Good boy. Now I'm gonna give a shout out to my sister Kaya and Babe. We all taught him that. Cash, sit down.
No.
Cash, sit. Cash. He don't want to listen. He feel like showing off.
He want to play with Queen.
Cash, come here.
No, Queen.
Come here. Sit.
No, Queen.
Sit. Sit. Good boy. You're such a good boy. Give me paw. Give me paw. Give me paw. Good boy. Good big boy. That's my golden retriever right now. Get you one. Girl, you can think of?
Tell me to be hit by
It's so nappy right here. She need a
No.
She need a brush.
She want to play with She want to play. Come on.
One.
I think her teeth came out because she got blood on her.
For real, what?
On the side.
Where?
On the side of the house.
What? All right, hold on. Okay.
She be wanting to run away, and that's the most hardest part with bathing her. She used to hate baths, but she started getting used to them. We used to actually bathe her in the tub because she was just so little to go outside. But now she can go outside here with a big dog. I ain't gonna lie, Cash the scarier one. Like, even though he's bigger than her, like he don't really like altercation, loud sounds he don't like.
Yeah. It's really hard. She really a beast for real.
Yeah, she'll like step out in that paint fast.
She really got a knot right here. I need to go ahead and comb that. I don't have the brush with me. That's why I messed up that, but we're gonna take care of that, okay, baby? We're gonna get that taken care of.
It's really because she peed for real on herself. Let her go. I need a whole Cash. They gonna start running and playing.
I wouldn't be able to have 2 dogs if I was by myself. Honestly. I would have had to get rid of one on. Only reason I said it, y'all, is because
I'm sorry.
only reason I said it's really a lot. You know what I'm saying? See, look how ready to put her leg up.
I'm sorry.
Good thing it ain't gonna go on her eye. Right here, baby. Right here on this neck. Alright, she almost done.
You ready?
This how I feel after I get one out the way.
Thank you.
I usually let her hair dry, and then we brush her.
Yeah, so because her fur is so like a lot of hair, we wring it out so she won't be as wet.
The sun really takes care of most of it for us.
You look so clean, girl. Yeah. Look, you want to play? Nope, your turn now.
One dog down, the second dog to go. It's a lie, but we do it. But this is what we do majority of the time. And it don't take like 30 minutes. It don't take an hour. It normally take us a good 3 hours to take care of both of our dogs and get both of them cleaned up. See, right now, Queen is doing it again. Queen.
She doodling?
It look like it. What it look like to you?
No, she not doodling.
But yeah, like, kind of give y'all content and then take care of our dogs. And then other stuff that come with it, like, you know what I'm saying? It really kind of be a lot, but we make it happen. Look, girl, give me paw.
Give me pop, baby. Give me pop, baby girl. That's my baby girl. Hi, Queenie. Hi, Queenie girl. Hi, Queenie girl. You're so good.
I really hate when my dog is wet because she look like this, but long as y'all see how she looked before, she be looking so pretty. You ready for me, babe?
Yeah.
Okay, now time to get back to work. Okay. Come here. Right here.
He like to be on the wall for
Go,
real.
Queen. It's not your time. You had your time, baby. Sit down. Hey, Queen, sit. Sit. Sit, Queen. Sit. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. You're not sitting down. You're pretending to sit down. She always does that. Sit. Hey. Sit. You're not sitting down, Queen. You're acting like you're sitting down. Sit.
She look like a whole different dog when she wet, y'all.
She like that ball. So y'all, with 2 dogs, you ain't gonna get enough of
Wow.
cash.
Cash.
You know it's your turn to bathe.
Come on. Come here. Come here, boy. No. It's not your turn.
Yeah, it's a workout.
My back hurt. Come on, boy.
Queen trying to dry herself up.
We want to play, so I'm trying to hurry up.
He really needed this crazy part. Hold it. Oh. Go ahead. Do it.
I can do his back from himself.
It's okay, boy. It's okay, big boy. It's okay. Calm down. Queen had her bath. That's why she's doing that to you. She had her time. You never got a time yet. You gotta think about yourself. Queen's being selfish.
I honestly don't know why he like playing with Queen. Queen play too aggressive, first of all. Wait.
Yeah. So I told y'all 2 people needed. this point. Look, y'all, just keep him right here. This is bad. What all you missing, man?
His legs and then his like inner body.
Queen, what are you doing?
No, Queen.
Nice.
I feel like I just had a bath, y'all. No. No, Queen. No.
Wait. No. Come on, shit. I'm telling you, bro. I'm leaving it in there. This is the shit I be talking about. Like, why? Why are you not listening? It is raining. Yes.
Come here, come here.
That.
This is why we need two people. Come here, Cash. Come here.
This is ghetto.
Right quick.
But I'm sorry we couldn't make it perfect for y'all because we don't have perfect dogs, you know what I'm saying? We got the dogs.
No.
Don't be that.
You like messing with him.
Go. See, this is what I'm talking about. She don't listen. Now me and her at war.
Come here.
Wait. You want to get bathed again?
Come here. That's why we need two people, babe.
Look.
Yeah.
Oh. Go.
Put your face right here. It can't be perfect now.
See this specific shampoo, I love how it makes it right here, like what do you say? I love how it makes it his body look really clean. Like he looks so good.
He looks golden.
Come here, guys. Stop fighting it. Come on. Right here. Oh, you did majority of it, man.
You got underneath his body?
Come on, let me get it.
This Queen drinking a lot of water.
This is heaven for her. Wait! No! Yeah, get up in here, babe. What you got going on right now?
I don't know.
We are soaking wet.
All right, hit down. Lay his down.
You got over here by his chest. Right here. Go right here.
Yeah, that ain't no soap right there.
Wait! And she knows her name. She knows she's doing something wrong.
Okay.
Alright, go. Go play. Go. Go play. You done. She's like, no, I ain't finished with my bath. You finished.
Then I made a mistake and didn't wrap my hair up.
Go get the ball, boy. Cash. Go get the ball.
Queen.
Watch this, y'all. Watch this. This is what we play. Come on, Cash.
He loved doing that hopping jump, y'all. Queen, go get the ball.
He go get it from PREE. He ain't even go get it.
He ran after it though.
Ain't for a long time.
And don't look at what we got on saying, oh, y'all look a mess. No, we just had business to handle and we wasn't going to handle it in our freshest outfit.
There's no reason to try to get fresh and fly. It's this. We came out here to get suited. You know what I'm saying? We came out here suited. Y'all see I got on this long sleeve shirt. I got on this ugly shirt. I got on these swimming trunks. I ain't even got nothing on my toe. Like, look at my feet, y'all. Toes is out. Toes is even out at this point. PREE got on socks and sandals.
I don't know why I put on socks, but it is what it is.
Bye. Come on, doggies. We finna go. Time to go home. Time to eat. Queen, get away from that doodle. Come on. Queen.
All right, So I don't know if we want to put them on a leash because their leashes need to be washed.
What's biting her?
I say she really need her leash for real.
Yeah, Cash can manage.
Okay.
Yeah, their leashes are filthy, as y'all can see. We washed them last week, but it's I'm starting to think that it's something that we need to do every day. Why his neck look red?
I don't know. It's probably gonna dry and clear up.
You ready?
Yep.
Look at me. Why am I twisted in this?
Hey.
All right, let me get up out of here. Come on, Cash. We out, son. Come on, let's go. Hey, y'all. So as y'all can see, Queen is now dry. I mean, it's certain spots that didn't get dry yet, but my baby looking good though.
Looking big and fluffy. Look at my baby. Look at that pretty face. Look at her.
She look good.
If y'all need a golden doodle, y'all need to get one.
So I'm gonna show y'all my boy Cash. He looking real good. Look at my son. That coat done dried up and it's looking amazing. Y'all comment down below, how do they look? As y'all can see, I had to change my shirt because I felt so nasty. After I bathed my dogs, I feel dirty. Comment down below if y'all can relate. But I really wish I could see him more. He look like he don't really want to be bothered. Cash, show the people. Show the people, son. He like, no, show the people, son. All right, y'all. As y'all can see, he got an attitude. I be mad too, son. I be having an attitude, and I be mad. I be mad, boy. But y'all, look, I'm gonna end this video off. Y'all let us know if y'all want more videos of us showing our dogs and stuff. They just ate. They're full. They're not in a mood. They really kind of just want to lay down and mind their business. Y'all see, keep bothering me. But I love y'all so much, PNF gang. See y'all in that next video. Without further ado, Fruit and Pre is out.